Invoicing in Law Office AI introduces groundbreaking workflows designed to integrate seamlessly with the exchange. While a dedicated tutorial on the exchange is forthcoming, it's worth noting that this feature enables efficient collaboration with other law firms, insurance carriers, and medical examiners. Invoices can be generated both with and without using the exchange, offering flexibility to fit your needs. At the top of the main Invoices page, you'll find invoices organized by their status, providing a clear overview of your billing workflow. The first status, pending, indicates invoices that have been created but not yet sent. These are drafts awaiting your final review. The pre-approved status covers invoices that have been sent for approval. These can be shared manually via email, sent through USPS mail, or ideally delivered digitally through the exchange for faster processing. Once an invoice is approved or doesn't require approval, it moves to the billed status, ready for payment. Invoices that remain unpaid for over 30 days from their billed date transition to the past due list, helping you keep track of overdue accounts. On the flip side, the received status is for invoices you've received through the exchange, which require your approval before further action. If an invoice is returned for corrections, it falls under the denied status. This status is accompanied by messaging tools directly on the invoice page, allowing for streamlined communication to address and resolve issues quickly. Once corrections are made and the invoice is approved, it advances to the approved status, signifying it's ready to be billed to the client. The final status category is messages. Whenever an invoice is denied, the recipient can leave specific feedback explaining what needs to be corrected. You can then respond directly within this messaging system, fostering efficient collaboration and reducing delays in the billing process. To create a new invoice, navigate to the case you want to bill. Click on Cases, use the Cases quick link at the top of the page, and open the relevant case details page. In the Case toolbar, select the Invoices button, followed by New Invoice. Invoices in Law Office AI adhere to the Leads standard. Begin by selecting the appropriate service category. Once chosen, a subcategory field will appear, offering options based on your initial selection. After selecting a subcategory, a Services field will appear, allowing you to specify the precise type of service provided. Billing intervals can be set to one of 4 options: hourly, flat rate, each, or variable rate. Depending on the service type, you'll need to enter details like the date of service and billable time. Add a brief description if necessary, and then click Create Invoice. Once created, you'll be taken to the Invoice Details screen. The initial status of the invoice will be pending. In this stage, you can add additional services using the Add Service button. When the invoice is ready, you can update its status to billed or pre-approved from a drop-down menu. After payment is received, simply click Add Payment to record it. You can also apply credits to the invoice if needed. At any point, you can print the invoice or export it in a Leads-compatible format. The Invoice Search panel provides powerful tools to locate specific invoices. Use the Start Date and End Date fields to filter invoices created within a particular time frame. Additional filters, such as Client and Case Type, narrow the results further. For invoices sent or received through the exchange, the From and To Exchange Offices fields refine your search. Finally, the Status filter organizes your invoices based on their current status. After performing your search, depending on the invoice status you searched for, you will see quick action buttons to either mark all pre-approve or mark all billed. This is an efficient way to set the status of multiple invoices in bulk. There's much more to explore about invoicing through the exchange. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we'll dive deeper into these features, provided you have the necessary permissions.